All right, guys, working on the 95 Dodge Ram turbo diesel. Well, the problem with this guy, the fuel solenoid valve is not working. So as you out somewhere, your truck spin over, doesn't crank. So this what you do. You just get in your truck, turn your key switch forward, turn it forward, and come here right by your fuel injector pump. You see the solenoid right there. Stick your hand down here. There's a little lever down there. Just click it up. See, you heard that click? You click it up, and you go back in the truck. Go back in the truck. And baby, you should be cranking up. See? That's if you on the side of the road or anything. Now, you can have other problems why they solenoid ain't working. So, you go over here to your relay right here, your fuse shut off relay, solenoid relay, and you pull this plug out here. See, one of the leads should be hot. So you get your test light, poke your test light in there. If it's not hot, you got a wiring issue then. See, it'll be a blue wire run off the relay. But this customer put it up here, you put it on the battery there. I'm about to rewire that, fix all that right. I don't know why they did all that, but see, it should turn on like that. And another way you can check it. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. See, you get you a wire, or get you a little safety clip or whatever, and you jump across that bad baby. So you jump across this one and this one, and it should click. If their arm clicks up, then most likely your relay is the culprit. See, when you hit the wire like this here, see, it's kind of hard to see. You hit the wires like this here, guys. See, you hear that click? See the click up. So, hope I help you out, guys. You can just take your blue wire. If you don't got no fire there, take your blue wire off your fuse box down there, and put it up here on your battery terminal. That way you got hot to that relay all the time. And I hope this helped you out. This Spank Tank signing off. Please like and subscribe my video. Thanks.